Welcome you all to today's class, children. This is 5th standard English. You are going to learn the poem Be a Friend. Let us move to the story. It is this true story of a carpenter. Once there was a carpenter. He grew very old and he wanted to retire from his job. So he informed the management that he is going to retire from the job. But the management said to do a final project. So the carpenter accepted and did his final project. He did this with low quality material. Finally, the management handed over the key of the final project, that was the house, to the carpenter. It said that is the gift of the management for his 15 years of experience. He was shocked because he did with poor quality objects. So this is the story, children. Hope you understand. So be true and loyal. Okay, children. Let us move to the story. Poem Be a Friend. It was written by Edgar Guest. He was born on 1881 and passed away on 1959. He was born in England. He had written thousands of poems. Most of the poem has been published in his books. The famous works are Just Folks, The Path to Home, When Day is Done. And this is a poem taken from the book A Heap O' Living, which was published on 1916. It is based on the friendship. I'll read the poem line by line and say you the meaning. Be a friend, you don't need money, just a disposition sunny, which means the friendship does not need any money to be a friend. Just it wanted the natural quality of a human being. Just the wish to help another get along some way or other. It wanted to the quality of helping tendency and spending a valuable time with another. Just a kindly hand extended out to one who is unbefriended. It wanted to show the kindness to the other who is unfriended with everyone. It wanted to help the person who is unfriended. Just the will go to give or lend, this will make you someone's friend. If you be friendly or kind to others, it will make the friendship with others. Okay, let us move on to the second stanza. Be a friend, you don't need glory. Glory means fame. To be a friend, the friendship does not need any glory or fame. Friendship is a simple story passed by trifling errors blindly. Gaze on honest effort kindly. It won't point out the mistakes of the friend, but if the friend works something or trying something, the friend will help the other friend. Cheer the youth who is bravely trying, pity him who is sadly shying. It helps the poor one in talent or in economy. Just a little labor spent on the duties of a friend. To be a friend, it is not so hard to be a friend. To be a friend, you just be what you are. You just be with the quality of kindness. So it does not need money and it does not need any glory. Okay, it just need the helping hand and the supporting hand. Okay, let us move on to the third stanza. Be a friend, the pay is bigger, though not written by a figure, than is earned by people clever in what's merely self-endeavor. Endeavor means trying. You will have friends instead of neighbors for the profits of your labors. You will be richer in the end than a prince if you are a friend. So, the friendship does not need money or glory or the background of the family. It needs only the kindness. Hope you understand, children. If you have a friendship, you will be richer than the queen. Happiness, in happiness. So which four things are mentioned as the duties of a friend? It is your question. Try to answer the question. Thank you, children.